Good morning, it's Board Ben. I'm back. As you can see, it's bright and early in the morning. Sun hasn't even come up yet. It's working on it. It's 6:55 a.m. I am still in New Mexico. I'm heading back. My trip went a lot longer than I thought it was going to. You know how it gets when you don't really have to come back. You don't. You stay a little longer, hang out. But I had some good times. But it is now time to get back to Phoenix. So I already have my time lapse set up on my dash cam. So I'm going to go ahead and cue that in right now.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small we can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay guys, well, I'm back in Phoenix, Glendale. Traffic of course is shit on I-17, but I kind of expected that at the time I was coming into town. But yeah, that was an interesting drive. I'll piece together the videos the best way I can, and we'll see how they turn out. Especially with that snowstorm and stuff. Oh, well, you can see that moron. But anyways, I had a great trip. Nice drive both times. They're going there and on my way back. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.